What I'm doing here is going through the wig and we're creating a straight, smooth texture. As you can see, the wig has been washed and we're just going to smooth out the texture so it is an even and consistent texture. So with heat protection, I spray down the top layer of the hair just to get a little bit of moisture in there. And of course, it's protection for the hair shaft from roots, mid-lengths to ends. I've already sprayed this side, so I will begin to section the hair. I'm just going from the crown around to the recess area of the hair. I will make a horseshoe section and begin smoothing out the hair. So as you can see, we've just got some S-bends in the hair, which is just the hair drying naturally. And we're just going to make it more polished. This side, taking a comb in conjunction with the iron, gathering all the hair into the section and just smoothing out. Just being gentle and not holding the iron too firmly against the hair shaft. Just want to hold it gently, just to distribute that heat. Okay, taking down the top section, and you can see how easy it is. Very simple to do and very effective. And we have it, a smoothed out straight bob. Thank you for watching.